Lastly, we're going to be finding the mode or the most common value in a data set. So the data we are using today is from my favorite hockey team, the Detroit Red Wings, goals per game throughout this season. So I arrange them in numerical order or in groups: zeros, ones, twos, threes, fours, and fives. And these represent the amount of goals they scored in each of their 71 games this season. So just by doing this, you can get a visual representation of what the mode is actually going to be. The most common value in this case is 1. There are actually 23 times the Detroit Red Wings scored only 1 goal in a game out of the 71. So that is our mode, the most common value.